A lot of people believe that you need a special soil to germinate seedlings. Well, I'm going to show you today where you don't need any special type of soil to germinate seedlings. Alright? Now, this is clay soil. This is raw clay soil. Look at it. Raw clay soil. This is what this is. And look how these okra seedling germinate so beautiful. We even have a squash here. But look how these seeds germinate so fast and easy in this. Look at it, guys. Raw red clay soil. Raw red clay soil. Look all down here, so. Clay soil. And these seedlings is doing really well. You see, the thing about clay soil, you always supposed to come out and break up your soil. You know, you break it up. You know, you break it up. You get a piece of stick and you break it up. This is very important. Very, very important. So don't underestimate clay soil. Clay soil is a very rich soil, rich in minerals. But a lot of people believe because clay soil is red and hard and clammy, it cannot grow food. That's not true. You even could germinate seed. You even could germinate seed in clay soil. And they're doing one. Look how they stand up beautiful, guys. Healthy and beautiful. And look how they thick. Look how I saw them thick and look how beautiful they are. You understand? Some of them now gathering their third leaf. So these are getting ready by, I say, in the next week and a half, I'm going to be putting these in the ground. But guys, do not underestimate clay soil. Clay soil is a rich soil. The only thing is you cannot allow clay soil to climb up like rock. Because when it climb up like rock, it make it very difficult for the roots them to go through. So all you got to do from time to time, you get a piece of stick or something and you just come through. Just come through and you just shake it. Shake it that the roots can just push through. Alright? Don't underestimate seedlings in clay soil. Because once you get them germinate and you're able to keep the soil soft, it's rich in minerals and plants love minerals. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.